Hello, welcome back. On this slide, I'll be talking to you about solving implicit compound inequalities and to list integer solutions. The word integer means positive or negative whole number. So here, you're supposed to write all the possible values for n for each inequality. Now, the important thing is to try to make the middle term equal to just the letter n, because when that happens, then you have an explicit compound inequality to help you list the solution. So to make the middle term become n is to minus 2 from all the sides, from the left hand side and from the right hand side. So you minus 2 from the left, from the middle, and from the right hand side. So when you work it out, you now have n is bigger than or equal to negative 3 and n is less than 0. So that will help you list your answers, and that will be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Note, we included negative 3 because n is bigger than or equal to. We did not include 2 because n should be less than 0. So we didn't include 0, sorry. So we ended at negative 1. Second one, how to make 2n become n is to divide by 2. Divide through by 2. So we're going to divide the left and the right also by 2. And when you work it out, you end up having negative 1 and a third, and the 3 on the right hand side as well. So n is bigger than negative 1 and a third, n is less than 3. The same solution is negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Note, we did not include negative 2 because negative 1 and a third is between negative 2 and negative 1. So the first whole number integer that we will see is negative 1. Next one, to make the middle term become n is divided by 3. So we're going to divide the right by 3 and the left also by 3. When you work this out, you have n is bigger than negative 2 and 2/3 and n is less than 1 and a third. And to list your answer, you have negative 2 all the way to 1. Note, negative 2 2/3 is between negative 3 and negative 2. So the first whole number we will see integer is negative 2. The last whole number we will see is 1 because 1 and a third is between 1 and 2. So our last whole number we will see is 1. The fourth example, to make n minus 4 equal to n is to add 4 to it. So we're going to add 4 to the left hand side and add 4 to the right hand side. After working out, you have n is bigger than 1 and n is less than 5. So our solution will be 2, 3, and 4. Now for the last one, we need to solve it step by step. So first, we need to add 3 to both sides, the right hand side and the left hand side. Then we divide through by 2 to the right hand side and to the left hand side. So first is to get rid of the minus 3. So we add 3 to all the sides. So you have 4, 2n in the middle, and 10 right hand side. This is where as 2n is bigger than or equal to 4 and 2n is less than 10. To make the middle term equal to n is to divide by 2. So we divide the left by 2, the right also by 2. Therefore our answer will be n is bigger than or equals to 2 and n is 5. And our answers will be 2, 3, and 4. So this is how to solve implicit compound inequalities. On next slide, I'm going to show you a special implicit compound inequalities and how to solve it.